The title of the story is Whose Turn? The character objectives is to be friendly and cooperative. Milton Mule made a mini mule. Felix Fox follows Father Fox. Drum diddy drum drum, Davy Duck drummed. Kiki Kangaroo came from Kalamazoo. Brave Bucky Buffalo flew in a balloon. Ace and his friends at school were playing jump rope. It was fun to play together. The children were saying tongue twisters as they jumped up and down, up and down. Miss Content had told the children that they must obey the rules to play. Miss Content had explained to the children that when everyone cooperates and obeys the rules, everyone has fun. One of the play rules was to take turns. Now all the children were playing together and having fun. Ace, Miss Content called, "It's your turn to jump." Ace stood and watched the turning rope. Ace watched the rope go up and down, up and down. The rope brushed the ground every time it went around. Ace watched carefully and then ran in. Quickly, Ace began to jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Ace jumped and then out he ran. Ace never missed a jump at all. "It's my turn now," a big boy called. "I want my turn." The big boy was not being very friendly. "Not yet," Miss Content said gently. "You must wait. Your turn to jump. We all should cooperate and play by the rules." Other boys and girls jumped and jumped. Turn, turn went the rope. Jump, jump went their feet. Then someone called, "Ace, it's your turn to jump. Run in quickly." "Oh no," said Ace quietly. "It's not my turn yet. I jumped just a short time ago. It would not be fair for me to jump again when it's not my turn." "Well," said Miss Content, "we want to cooperate and play by the rules. Whose turn is it?" Ace looked up at Miss Content. "It's not my turn, Miss Content," he said politely. "Everyone else has had a turn. Why don't you take a turn?" "Me? You want me to take a turn jumping?" Miss Content asked, laughing with the children. "Yes, yes, yes," shouted all the children. All the children wanted their supervisor to have a turn. "All right," agreed Miss Content. "Get ready, here I come." Miss Content began jumping as she and children said, "Milton Mule made a mini mule. Felix Fox follows Father Fox. Drum diddy drum drum, Davy Duck drummed. Kiki Kangaroo came from Kalamazoo. Brave Bucky Buffalo flew in a balloon." Outrun Miss Content had not missed any jumps. "Yay, yay!" The children cheered. Miss Content is a good jumper. "Ace," Miss Content said after she caught her breath. "Thank you for asking me to take a turn. It was fun. Everything is more fun when we cooperate and play by the rules." "Yes, you are right," shouted all the children. "Let's always be friendly and cooperate together."